Hi, this is David with David's Tutorials, and this is the introductory 001 video to my new playlist on building websites with David. Now, this particular video series is a video series I'm putting together to help several friends build their own websites, and I'm thinking, why not go ahead and make videos of what I teach them? I'll put it up on YouTube, and hopefully these videos can help other people as they work to build their own websites. Now, in this video series, I'm going to divide it into several different sections. And each section, you'll be able to see it when you go to the web page on my davidstutorials.com website and see which videos are where. I'm going to number them in blocks. There's going to be the 00 block, which is introduction and orientation. There's going to be the 100 block, the 200 block, the 300 block, and so on. So you're going to probably see some videos that don't seem like they're in the right sequence, but they're in the right order as far as the blocks. Now, eventually, I hope this series is going to be set up such that you can follow each of these videos through in a numerical sequence, and it will make all kind of good sense to you. Also, besides me teaching my clients how to manage their own websites, I would like this video series to be useful to anybody who wants to start a website building business, and you will need to teach your own clients how to build their own websites. That is going to be the main purpose of this particular video series. Now, stay tuned, watch the next video. It's going to be on how I got to where I am in building websites today.